National Weather Service in Pleasantville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Miami County, extreme northwestern Bates County, Cass County, northwestern Henry County, southwestern Johnson County, Missouri, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Drexel and moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by law enforcement. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Harrisonville, Garden City, Freeman, Archie, East Lynn, Kingsville, Gun City, Strasburg, Latour, Quick City, and Blairstown. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following county: Miami County, Kansas, and the